Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. Wow, what is really going on with Kanye West? I don't know what to say. It's terrible. Even Alex Jones was uncomfortable. Kanye, what's going on, man? Somebody need to get out and help this brother. He's talking as if he's living his last days. I don't know. It's like he done gave up, like it doesn't matter. He act like he knows something's about to happen to him, so he's all out now. But anyway, even Elon Musk had to suspend his Twitter account. You know, Elon Musk had to suspend his account. And even Alex asked Elon Musk, can he fix Kanye West, please? And Elon Musk replied, I tried my best. Despite that, he again violated the rules against the incitement of violence. Account would be suspended. So I don't know how long his account is going to be suspended. I don't know if he's banned from Twitter. But just listen to some of this stuff that he was saying here on Alex Jones' show. Check this out.
Well, that's right. You're not Hitler. You're not a Nazi. You don't deserve to be called that and demonized.
I see good things about Hitler also. I love everyone, and Jewish people are not going to tell me you can love, us, and you can love what we're doing to you with the contracts, and you can love what we're pushing with the pornography. But this guy that invented highways, invented the very microphone that I use as a musician. You can't say out loud that this person ever did anything good, and I'm done with that. Every human being has something of value that they brought to the table, especially Hitler. How about that one? Ari Emanuel, how you like that one? Hey, Ron, you gonna do anything to fix Chicago? They want to separate and confuse the Christians and make us afraid to stand next to each other. But we're gonna call him Nathan. What you want, Nathan? Hey, yay, right after this, I'm gonna say you're crazy. I'm gonna take your family away from you. We're not done with you yet. You cannot cause free thought. We have to control the history books. We have to control the banks, and we have to go and kill people. Also, we're in the pedophilia. Ha, ha. Same person. How could you say something? It's okay that I practiced Chinese water torture on myself. Nathan don't want to say nothing.
Maybe Hitler.
I'm Netanyahu. I ain't never had a supermodel.
Wow.
Yeah, bring in the clowns. There will be clowns.
Wow. Wow. A couple of weeks ago, Kanye seemed to be okay. But now it's all over the place. Sometimes it even says in the Bible that a fool could be wise if he keep his mouth shut. Too many words spoken start losing its meanings. So Kanye, I don't know what to tell you, brother, but somebody out there can help you out. And Candace Owens, that's your friend, maybe you can talk to him. But anyway, again, guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And I would like to read some of the comments and see what you guys are thinking. All right. Have a good night.